Mum was taking pictures of cars.
So, hello, welcome to the Celtic Druid channel. Key for my car, the American Dream. Classic cars from America. Left-hand drive. Absolutely splendid cars. Adam? Thank you. So today is Friday the 25th of August, the day after my birthday, and I survived it. Quite a lot of people here.
Unfortunately, you survived.
Shut up, Adam. Hello, this gentleman here has allowed me to interview him for my channel. He's going to tell me about the history of this magnificent car right here.
This car is a 1960 Buick Invicta. It was purchased in Pennsylvania by a lady. She had the car 30 years. And because of erratic driving down the freeway, she had to take another test. And she failed the test and the car had to go to service.
Oh my goodness. Thank you very much for that. Cheers, thank you.
The lady was 93 years old.
My goodness, dear God. How long have you had her for?
This year,
Yeah.
27 years.
Alright, thank you very much for your time there, sir.
Okay.
That one there was built in Michigan.
Speak a bit louder.
That one there was built in Flint, Michigan.
Thank you. I just interviewed that fella number there now, so you're going to find out what he said after. So I think this is the last key for my car on the key. Okay, Adam's calling me over.
Ford F-150.
A what?
1999 Ford F-150 Lightning.
Thank you. Look at that then. Is that cool or what? It's getting a bit windy now. I never should have had those beans. What is it?
GMC F-150.
These are absolutely excellent cars.
1977 Lincoln Continental.
Thank you, Adam. 1977 Lincoln Continental. Thank you. I said, just get in the way, Adam. What one is it?
It's not a Bel Air, so it's a Chevy, but not a Bel Air, so don't say Bel Air.
Okay, I wasn't going to say Bel Air. Just love it on the key. Look at that one then.
Ford Mustang.
Thank you. That one's for sale. There are they? front. Ooh, what else did you get for Christmas?
That was a Chrysler Parallel.
Yeah, and it's for sale. Would you buy it, Adam? Would you buy it? You wouldn't, would you?
I'm more into the old tubes.
So let's just going up here then. So here we go.
Surprised you haven't recognised this one because it's from a famous 70s TV show. Actually, two of them.
Is it Dukes of Hazzard?
Nope. But I might be into that.
Starsky and Hutch?
Nope.
Do you know what it is?
Smokey and the Bandit.
Oh yeah, it's a film actually. But do you recognise any of these cars from GTA?
Well, that one's in there, and that one.
Alright, cheers
I
Adam.
think this one's white, you get Franklin's car.
Excellent. And this car is what? Hang on a minute.
2009 Dodge Charger.
Cheers Adam, thank you.
And if it's wind up about 50 odd years, you get the Dukes of Hazzard car.
What? Do you know what year it is?
I just said 2009.
2009. I'm going deaf. I am 54, you know.
I'm not bloody surprised you get it.
I think I've seen that one before. Desert Nuts.
Ford F350.
A what?
Ford F350.
Cheers. And this one here. It's a Ford Mustang, but what year? Adam, what year? 1966. Or 1956?
66.
Okay.
The first one built was 1954.
Cheers, Adam. I have a decent shot of it now.
This one's what you are, an Oldsmobile.
Right, okay.
I'm not joking, it's actually called an Oldsmobile.
I really like the one that is an absolute
1950s Ford Thunderbird.
Ford Thunderbird. That's an absolutely cracking car, that is. Left-hand drive, that's the all are. Smart, isn't it? You're impressed, aren't you? That one is a Jurassic Park.
Look at the door.
Look on the door. Jurassic Park. And that one is what? Cheap.
Funny that is 1993.
That's the year the film was made.
Yeah, that's why it's not a livery.
Okay, that one.
Corvette Stingray.
Okay, Stingray. Da-da-da-da-da. Ting to remember, aren't you? And that's a Chevy Bel Air. Route 66.
1956.
Yeah, but I'm saying Route 66 there, Adam. Chevy van. That's cool, isn't it? And that's a really cool car there.
Oh, look. That's so cool.
That is so cool, she said.
Isn't it cool?
Oh, Louis.
It is.
Is it Rory?
What?
Ford.
Alright, okay. There's another one for sale over there again. A Jeep. What Jeep, you know? What make is that?
A Jeep.
Jeep. Well, Adam said it's from 1979. And here comes Nicola, but she doesn't like being on camera. Just as well, because I can't afford a new phone.
That's from Arizona.
Arizona. Look at that Gran Torino.
That's what starts getting out to enjoy.
Yeah, without the stripe. This is from a film with Clint Eastwood, isn't it? Gran Torino.
1975.
1975. Good gosh. I was only 6 then. You was a twinkle in my eye. Well, actually, not even that. There's a Firebird, but what year, Adam?
Yeah, not all of them have the year on it. Dodge Pioneer.
A Dodge Pioneer, what year?
I just told you, not all of them have the year on it.
A Dodge Pioneer.
Yeah?
Oh, that's one.
This is from 1996. One of the last models, I think. Yeah, it's from 1996, Adam, and it's one of the last models.
Until we're down it.
Ford Mustang. Okay, revving it up. It's a Grand Cherokee Jeep. Come on, Adam, where are you? And same car from a different angle. Look at her, isn't she beautiful? It's okay, Adam's coming. I spotted him. There's more cars coming down too. Yeah. Yeah, of course, yeah. Sorry, mate.
No, that's right.
Pennsylvania. Huh? Yeah, but it's not a pink
Pontiac.
No, a Pontiac, right. Yeah, I was going to say if it was a pink one, it would have been Elvis's. Look at
Well, it's a big, big city and it's always the same. You'll never be too pretty. Tell me your name, is it out alone? Or was it
that one here is a Ford Lincoln from 1979. Nicola and Adam over here. Well, I can see Nicola, and I can just about see Adam. Harbour views. Mustang. Here comes Adam.
This one's a 1915 Dort. This car was built when the Great Lusitania sank.
Wow. Interesting information there. Thank you for that.
8 years old.
Exactly. Thank you for that, Adam. Let's have a look inside.
The Dort, she's 108 years old.
My gosh. Yeah, my son just told me that. Oops, sorry, Adam. Yeah, so long have you owned her?
Oh, just over a year.
Oh, she's excellent. All right, okay. I'm going to have to catch up with my other half now. Thank you very much. Cheers. And the owner told me her name is Dorothy. I'm going to have to catch up with Nicola. All right, fella. How are you? He's the founder of the Cubs, he is. And he's overlooking Brownsea Island. And this gentleman here is the owner of the 1959. Hello. Yeah.
To the what?
The Celtic Druid channel. Celtic Druid.
Can you
Subscribe.
subscribe to the Celtic Druid channel?
Thank you very much. Cheers. That there is a Chevrolet Express from 1997. Getting thirsty work just walking around. The Poole Arms.
Chevy Corvette from 2012.
Yeah, 2012. Your mum's down there somewhere?
1956 Chevy Bel Air.
Thank you, madam. She's a beauty. We've caught it with Nicola, and she was right by the side of me. Yeah. And the view from the inside, she's absolutely smart, or what?
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. Thank you very much. Cheers.
It's the train.
This is a 1955 Chevy Bel Air.
Thank you, Adam.
If you watch The Angry Grandpa, this is his dream car.
Wow. That's right. I remember Angry Grandpa from YouTube. He farts a lot, or used to.
I think that one's there, the Corvette as well.
That one right here.
That black one.
Yep.
The one
And you can clearly see that's a Dodge. But from what year? Your answers in the comments, please. Look at these lovely ships here. Almost coming to the end. This one here is a Mustang, and Adam's taking photos. There's a lot of people here, as you can see. I can't seem to get to all of them, and these people eating chips make you feel hungry. I haven't had much to eat today. Oh, I've been called many things, but a boot isn't here.
Oh no! Go you that.
That's all right. He said, just look at the boot, and I said, I've been called, I've been called many things, but a boot. What one's that, Adam? This is the last
Look
one.
at the door. What does it say on the door?
It says a Mustang GT,
Exactly.
but I didn't have my glasses on, did I? But anyway, that's it for now, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much. I hope that you enjoyed watching, and thank you to all of my new subscribers as well. Adam's going to say bye-bye. Right, okay then. The Celtic Druid over and out.
Shut up.
Say I get out of it.